going on, guys? It's SRM from SRM Tech 360, and today's video is about a keyboard. The keyboard that I've been using for more than 10 years now. I had brought it in 2008 or 2009. I'm not sure exactly, sorry for that, but I think it's been even more than 10 years with me. So today I'm gonna be talking about my experience after using it for 10 long years. And at last I'm gonna be giving my opinions about the product. And one more thing, I just used this keyboard for 10 years. I didn't have any other keyboard, so every kind of gaming and all the typing, it was done on the same keyboard. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the keyboard. This is the keyboard that has been with me for 10 long years. And you can see it still looks new, but on a bit more examination you can see it has got some stains over here, some stains over here, and I accidentally broke one of the rest pedals. You can see that. So now it wobbles and vibrates, so I better keep it off like this. It still vibrates, but the vibration is far too less than it is when just one rest pedal is on. So it's a fantastic keyboard. I don't see any demerits in it. The best part, it's still relevant in 2018. Maybe because the keyboards have not changed much over the time. It's just a bit new design, more lighting, the RGB lighting which is seen on the keyboards nowadays. But this one, it's simple, it's neat, it's clean, and that's good. It does not feel old by any means, and the typing here is very good. The key travel is fine, it's perfect, and I love typing on it. It feels nice to type. So once again, I say it's a fantastic keyboard. I really don't see any demerits in it. Those stains and that rest pedal issue, it's all my fault. It has nothing to do with that. Even though it has been with me for 10 long years, I still think it's really good. And you know what? I think it can survive 10 more years with me. But hey, I'm planning to get a new one that comes with RGB lighting, because I think that looks dope. That's fun to have, be more fun to type on it. But till then, it's with me, it's my keyboard for all sorts of typing and playing. But when I get the new one, I'll surely miss this friend of mine. It's literally been with me for more than half of my life, because I'm just 18, and it's been with me for 10 years, so that makes sense. Anyways, hope you liked the video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Till the next time, goodbye.